Oh, it's a chick! God, I love you so much, man. G-Wagon. That's sad, man. If you own a Charger or a Challenger, I don't know which one of those hoes has 4 doors, but your thing looks a lot like a Kia, man. Looks a lot like a goddamn Kia. I knew you would do it, that's why I didn't turn. I knew you would do it, that's why I didn't turn. I knew you would do it, that's why I didn't turn. I knew you would do it, that's why I didn't turn. I was looking the other way. I was looking the other way. It's a chick! God, I love you so much, man. My heart wants you, MILF. My heart wants you. Oh, that was amazing. I did not expect that. I did not know because the seat was so back. I did not know it was a chick. Ride safe, girl. Ride safe. Oh my God. She gave me the peace sign again. She knows how to do it. Oh, I don't know, sometimes you could just tell. Which the way I saw it was, I'll tell you guys the insights of this noggin and how things go. I never ask people from the beginning, do you want to race or make a sex tape? We don't do that. I like it organic, I like it natural. It's like going to a, you know, a hooker. No, you don't want that. You want to go out in the world and you come across a beautiful girl and you go in there and you're respectfully nice and you talk to her. That's how we do things. We don't just go out and start, you know, calling up numbers, seeing who wants to meet up and, you know, start pouncing. We do that too sometimes when you want to have extra fun safely. So I started itching forward a little bit, so I kind of tell that, you know, she might gun it, because I wanted to make a U-turn all the way back there, but we didn't do that. So instead, by the way, we were in rain mode, then I went into race mode. I don't know when I changed into race mode, Super Saiyan above Super Saiyan mode. Not exactly sure when I did that, but I did that sometime. I think I did that after it was already over. Wait. But yeah. So when I saw that, I was like, this shorty's gonna do something, which the F-tap, I didn't know she was a chick, and I didn't know she was smoking hot, because once again, you're gonna be nice to me, your hotness goes up. The level of your hotness goes up when you're nice to me, and when you do cool stuff. The hotness level goes up. But then after that, I kind of felt it that she was do something, so I had to make a U-turn. And then we had fun with her twice, 2 runs, because she gunned it. And then second time she gunned it, I was looking the other way because I thought it was over. Usually people do it once and then they stop. They don't do anything else. But she did it twice because she's awesome. And if you're watching this, I love you very much. My heart accepts you. My heart seriously accepts you and everything that you are. And I love you. I just wanted to say that because again, chicks who do it, they're freaking awesome. But yeah, then she gave me a thumbs up or the peace sign. And then the thing is that usually when it happens, this is kind of like the unwritten rule, the unwritten social contract that people just know, is that first of all, you give them the wave, or that you acknowledge them that, you know, this was done, acknowledgement, you know, mutual respect between both of the people. If you want to have a conversation, you can, but usually you don't have to. And then the second thing happens is whoever is leaving first, they throw another sign of peace or a thumbs up saying, you know what, again, good job, this is cool, you're awesome, let's make love, I'm leaving, ride safe, drive safe, take it easy, kind of thing. You know, it's another gesture of respect and acknowledgement between the two people, or however many they are. It always happens. If you guys watch that Supra video, that's the one that I can remember off the bat right now. But the guy, we did the same thing. We both acknowledged each other as he was making the first turn. He was leaving first, so he did the wave and said goodbye again. Same thing with her. She was turning the lane and I was riding past her. She was turning onto the highway. She put the peace sign back up. Small things like that go a long way, man. Small things like that go a long way. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that one, man, because I seriously did. She made my day. I don't want anything. We got a Bentley. Cool. I believe, right? Cool. It was so blacked out I couldn't tell, nor did I look at it that long. But yeah, man, that made my day. She made my day. If you're anywhere out there, just know that my love for you, if you don't have anyone in your life, just remember, anytime in your life that you're thinking that you don't have anyone, you're not loved, know that I'm out there and that I love you. Haha. I'm out there and that I love you. I'm telling you guys, man, there's no one else out there like me. Don't compare me to other people just because they're hype. Alright? Everyone's their own goddamn person. They took too long. We're all our own person, alright? I get a lot of messages that you know, you're like this guy, you're like that guy. I've been getting them from the very beginning and I honestly don't see it. Nor do I want to see it, because everyone's their own person. Nah, I mean? And even if you find somebody who looks like me, who dresses like me, who rides what I ride, who has the same exact personality, you'll never find somebody else in this entire world that has the same passion for women that I do. Alright? So keep that in mind as well. Ain't nobody can match that. They can match everything else, but they can't match that. They cannot match that. They cannot match that M-Series. Gun it, dog. Gun it. Gun it, dog. Gun it. Gun it. Ooh, Porsche. It's a new one, too. I want to say a GT2, but I don't think so, because the way the back end is designed and the front end, it don't look like it's a GT series. But I've been wrong with these before, because a lot of times people be changing up the spoiler from what it is to something else. So it could be or it could not. Either way, it's brand new, and I think I need to help him break it in. Yeah, 911 Turbo, see? Not a GT series. I can tell Porsche all look alike almost, but I'm kind of getting good at telling them apart. And I just want to let you guys know that I love what I do and I love doing it. And I'm always going to keep doing it until I love doing it. I'm not ever going to stop. I'm addicted to this place. I just can't help it. Temptation draws me. No matter where I am or what I'm doing, I want to come back here. Because I feel like this place is home to me. This part of Mexico is where I want to be at. And I just want to let you guys know that. Alright, so it is a beautiful day. Beautiful day today. Out in the lands of Mexico. So we're going to be looking for other riders who are also sharing the same passion that we are for this beautiful weather. And hopefully they'll be out and about. Hopefully they'll be here to share some love, to spread some awesomeness, so we could do it together. I got butt plugs in my ears, sir. I got butt plugs in my ears, ma'am. So I'm gonna be, you know, again, if my voice sounds a little bit off, something like that, it's not because of that. I'm sharing the same passion. I'm sharing the same passion. It's just this exhaust is so goddamn loud. That little bloom bloom blazing was for that Porsche that popped up and was looking at me. I had to show them that boom boom boy is me, is who does the boom boom. No one else does the boom boom. Just me and only me, and forever me. Out on these streets, unless I give you permission, which I've given full permission to any Lamborghini out there, almost any new generation McLaren out there. All of those hoes got my stamp of approval, my butt cheek approval. They have the approval to do what they like when they want, and we got the Porsche right behind us. So let's see what happens. But it's just, I feel like it's just a normal Porsche. It is one of the newer generation ones because it has the dots on it. The dude has a beard and sunglasses on. He looks very like I know him, but the guy that looks like him doesn't own that one. I don't know, we'll see. He does have a wrap on there, or maybe it's colored. Oh, he does have a passenger. The dude is bald and he kind of blended in with the seat. I want to go to the left. Not yet. First go, let's check out what rallies are happening today, because this is that time where all those rallies are happening. You guys might be seeing this footage on a day and a time, a period of time where there are no more rallies. But rest assured that at the time of this recording, we got rallies going on.